soon for you. Well, are you happy now that the gods are dying? Well, or do you dream of Heston with omniscient beer? You should be happier now with no one to pray to. Or would you love to break your knees from begging and praying? But heart, well, it's a broken smile, breaking their hearts and breaking their mind. By heart, well, it's a 505, your engine's alive and we ride together. By heart, by heart. I may be lonelier now, but I'm happy alone. Honest, ain't lonely alone. Oh, what would we talk about anyway? No, I never resort to kissing your photo. Honest, I just had to see